Well, folks, we did it, but I didn't get the video. Made it up the hill, but I don't know what happened. I hear somebody yelling. Yep, we're gonna walk down there and see. Yep, you can see how icy it is. Yeah. Black taco went right up it. Oh yeah, see they're shooting the guns off. Oh. Okay, here comes the coot, folks. See, the coot's got chains coming right up it. Yep, now you get to see what the coot looks like, folks. Thing can go anywhere, like the black taco. Just goes very slow. Goes about 2 miles an hour, so take a while to get up here. I don't think the other Jeep's gonna even attempt to try it. Black Taco's got studs in the tires. And I ran it with 10 pounds of air pressure, so we were able to get right up here. So we'll enjoy watching the Coot come up. Got a winch on the front, pretty cool. It's all steel, got roll bars on it. Diesel powered engine. Looks like he's got a problem coming up it. There. I had to turn around and look at the black taco, so see if Sarah's okay up there. Well, there you have it. Look at the Coot.
Madman, how did you get up there?
Yes!
Want to ride?
Sure. He's not coming up?
Yeah, you can come in front if you want.
Is he coming? Is he coming?
No, he said he wasn't going to bother.
All right. See, you got changed. All right. I want to get a ride. All right. I get to ride in the Coot. Thanks for the ride.
Yeah, thanks for coming. I would love to have seen you come up this. That must have been crazy.
All right, Sarah, how we doing? Sarah, how we doing? Check out the Coot. look, check out the coots there, huh? Yeah, huh? All right, thanks for watching, everyone. The Coot.